What if your YouTube channel isn't growing? Not because of your content, but because you don't have a brand. Two creators post the same video. One gets views, the other gets ignored. The difference? Branding. In this video, I'll show you a simple 7-step system to turn your channel into something people remember and trust. And don't miss the last step. That's where most creators fail. 1. Choose your niche. Step number 1. Choose your niche. You need to pick a niche you actually enjoy that solves a real problem. The sweeter the niche, the stronger your brand. Be specific and be different. Look at popular and profitable niches like tech, finance, education, fitness, lifestyle, business, and entertainment. Remember, niche clarity is key. The clearer your niche, the easier it is for your audience to remember and recommend you. For example, if your niche focus is finance for millennials, your subtopics could be student loans, investing basics, budgeting, and side hustles. 2. Build visual identity. Moving on to step 2, build visual identity. Consistent visuals create instant recognition. You want to choose colors, fonts, and elements that reflect your personality and your niche. Check out these color palette examples using cozy, clean aesthetics, and professional typography pairing examples like Bebas Nua with Montserrat, or Playfair Display with Lato. Don't forget your visual elements, icons, shapes, patterns, and textures, and put together a brand identity card outlining your mission and core values like authenticity, value, consistency, growth, and community. 3. Channel banner design. Step 3 is all about your channel banner design. Your banner is prime real estate on your page. It has to communicate instantly who you help and the value you deliver. Keep it clean, bold, and readable on all devices. Run through the banner checklist. Do you have a clear value proposition, high contrast text, brand colors, your face or character, and a strong call to action? Make it look just like a high-converting channel banner that tells viewers why they need to hit subscribe right now. 4. Thumbnail consistency. Next up, step 4, thumbnail consistency. Thumbnails drive clicks. You have to use a consistent style, color scheme, fonts, and layout so viewers spot your videos instantly in their feed. Make them bold, clear, and curiosity-inducing. Remember the thumbnail formula. Bold text plus expressive face plus color contrast plus visual focus equals more clicks. Look at these consistent style examples like I quit my job or $10,000 monthly side hustle. They keep the exact same branding across every single upload. 5. Content personality. Step 5 is content personality. Your personality is your ultimate differentiator. Be real, be you, and show up with high energy, personal stories, and strong opinions. Use your content pillars, education, inspiration, entertainment, and connection to guide your videos. Fine-tune your content style guide levels for energy, humor, storytelling, and expertise. Above all, remember, be you, but better. People connect with people, not perfection. So share your real journey, struggles, and wins. 6. Audience trust. We are at step 6, audience trust. Trust turns casual viewers into lifelong, loyal fans. You need to be honest, transparent, and always deliver on your promises. Engage, reply, and truly care about your community. Look at how you build trust. Deliver value in every video, stay consistent, show real results, engage in the comments, and stay authentic. When you turn a viewer into trust and trust into a loyal fan, they watch longer and support more. Use behind-the-scenes content, live Q&As, and honest recommendations to strengthen that bond. 7. Brand recognition. Step 7. Brand recognition. Consistency builds recognition, and the more familiar your brand looks, the more memorable you become across the entire internet. Run through the brand recognition checklist. Do you have consistent visuals, the same color palette, recognizable thumbnails, a branded intro, and a strong channel icon? Because recognition creates more clicks, more views, more trust, and ultimate growth. Make sure you show up everywhere, on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, podcasts, and email newsletters. The creator branding workflow and call to action. To tie it all together, follow the creator branding workflow. Plan your niche, build your visual identity, create valuable content, optimize your publishing, engage with your audience, analyze your data, and finally, grow and scale your impact. Keep this golden rule in mind. Great content gets you seen, but a strong brand keeps you remembered. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below with your niche, and I'll see you in the next video. It's not just about videos, it's about building a brand people remember. Start with one thing today and improve it. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment what you'll fix first. And watch this next video to grow even faster.